Welcome everybody, maxstreams. Today we will be using our Filelinked maxstreams green Filelinked code as the first video. We posted our Filelinked code. Please like and subscribe and share our videos for learning purposes only. Click on this is our Filelinked code. Continue. Our pin is 2000. Next. Continue. Let it load. If you get this message, click dismiss. Today we will be loading for right now. maxstream 5 stars down, so we have the green smoke, but today we'll be doing maxstream GSI Pro orange. Click on it on where it says the download button, the arrow pointing down. Let it load, let it download. Welcome everybody.
Hello from Ironboard Studio. It's Amy James.
We're just waiting it to download. Stay tuned with us. See, it's almost done downloading. Make sure you have good internet. Click on the play button. Go all the way down to it says install. Click where it's highlighted. Install the application. We will have a link below where you can get a free trial of this application. It is a paid IPTV service. maxstream orange. Stay tuned everybody. Please like and subscribe and share this video on YouTube. Click open, and once you register for your free 24-hour trial, you'll get a ID. Click OK in English. Your service ID for maxstreams will be 449. Next, your username and password will be given to you when you send me an email to my email address I'll be posting down below, so you could get your username and password. Thank you.